Welcome. In front of me is a T tablet from T-Mobile, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and in here somewhere you'll find a hotspot toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, which I don't see on either one. So anyway, we're going to click right here on this pencil, and there is our hotspot. So you want to hold this toggle. As you can see, the text right above it changes to drag here to remove it. So we're going to drag it to the top, drop it, go back, and we should have access to it on one of the pages. Once you see it in the toggles that are added here, you can hold it again, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate in here is because under hotspot password, you'll find that the password here is just randomly generated. I recommend getting rid of it and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And that's really the only thing that I recommend changing here. So from there you can close this. You're going to find the toggle once more, and this time around you need to just press on it to enable it. Once you're done with it, you can also tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. If I do so, I'm gonna quickly check Wi-Fi, which, come on, swipe. So I'm gonna turn it off. So by tapping on it, obviously you turn it off. Now, this device should have Wi-Fi, but either I'm blind or it's not added here. So let's see. Oh right, so there it was. So that is my Wi-Fi, which for some reason before was showing only the mobile network. Now the reason I am focusing on that is because you can see right now I am connected to my internet at work. If I enable hotspot, this now becomes Virgin Mobile, meaning all the data is going through the SIM provider. So the device can only do one at a time, either hotspot or Wi-Fi, not both. So something to also keep in mind when using your hotspot. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.